Nice. This is my easy to make pumpkin soup recipe. Pretty nice.
Grandmother, you can show me how to make a soup?
Kind of soup.
Pumpkin soup.
Pumpkin soup. Long time I not drink it because all you do is put a pumpkin in there. That was all I see. Cut pumpkin.
You know they are ready.
Allspice, onion, garlic, pepper, butter, salt, chicken broth. Boil for 1 hour. Add corn, yam, cocoa. For dumplings, flour, salt, water. Carrots, pumpkin, sweet potato. Scallion, thyme, pepper. Noodles. Thick, see